What's up, y'all? It's the next day. Wednesday? Today Wednesday? Today's Wednesday, y'all. We are in Half Moon Cay, Bahamas. So today's our beach day. Everybody ready? Especially that one down there. So it's about 9:20. We're about to go get some breakfast. And then our plans to leave at 11, get off the ship. So we can have a good full day at the beach. Look at this dude. Uh-oh, full, hold on. Gotta wait. We got the stroller. That was my mom and my aunt. But yeah, I'm excited for today. We're going to the beach. We going to the beach. Straight. We going to the beach. We going to the beach. Woo, woo. All right. I'll see y'all in a minute.
Copy that.
Copy that.
You're the man to see. I've been seeing you everywhere.
And you know.
You know, I'm going like he working hard in one of these new ones. Yeah, put one of them new ones in my room. Yeah, we got old. Put one of them new ones in my
Could have just
room.
put it in your pocket and just brought it back.
Oh, y'all so cool.
Yeah, a little bit.
So both of you over there, y'all ain't got nowhere to sit. Y'all gonna follow.
It's not some things on the side. It go all the way around.
Y'all
It goes all the way
don't
around.
overcrowd this boat now.
I know that's right. Now he clicking enough. It goes all the way around over there where them folks on the side. It goes all the way around.
Duane, don't take him all the way out there. Ooh, this water cold, my Lord. If you take him out there, hold on to him. Huh? Ooh, it's like ice cold. Yeah, you need to hold this. Oh my God, this is cold. Titanic.
What you say?
No wonder they froze to death in the Titanic.
Girl.
Nah, he gonna want to get out tonight. I gotta ease him into it. I'm supposed to sit down right here with him tonight. Bring him to me. I'm gonna just sit down right here with him. Cause it's gonna be too much. This water was not this cold in Florida.
I'm right here. I'm right here.
Put him in your lap. Duane, make sure he don't drink that water. Make sure he don't drink it. Oh, look at Taylor. Oh! I thought y'all went on the other side. I told you.
That ain't what I was saying.
Yeah.
I can make your mind go down.
That's why I went ahead and sat down. We losing time trying to find a place to sit.
Here you go, Mimi.
Put him in between us.
You don't like it?
You don't like it? You don't want to get used to it? Once you... Woo! Shucks, it's cold. He been missing.
We take one for the trip.
Good in lunch, y'all.
The underwater thing.
Okay.
Waiting in line.
We did it in Hawaii.
This is included in the
It's just like
included in the beach.
above on the water. Yeah. And then I'm assuming that it goes under.
Got Frederick some
when
bananas.
You get into the thing.
I know he love bananas.
Okay.
He ain't had none all week.
A commercial. Oh no!
I'm not sure about myself.
No.
Your burger wasn't cooked? Oh, I'm be hurt.
Look,
You want a brown? I said you like it. You know, I ain't really no chocolate.
Mine's is a
I
little
just I just tried a little of everything.
It's not how I
Put a
want
little
it.
something on my stomach. These brownies for
Because I don't like
you know,
I don't like
that's how they give it to the whites.
No, this is too. No,
the
this
white,
is raw.
the white
See, they
like
cooking
it.
them so
No,
fast.
that's raw.
They cooking them so
That's
fast.
how the
No,
whites. That's how the whites
I'm
like
not eating
it.
that.
Yeah,
You know,
the fruit, they can't have but the all they doing is
You say your weenie snap?
it's snap.
That's how the good ones go.
burned mine.
Who doing the recording?
He wants her to eat that.
Who ain't recording this mama? He recording Angela. They done dump fries on top of it. That's crazy. Okay, go sit down. Wait. They cook.
I got that on camera.
I do too. I don't know what it
I got that on camera.
What is it? I'm on my way to the spa. So I gotta go all the way to the front of the ship. I'm in the back, but look at this view. Look at Liberty of the Seas. Ooh. Oh, there goes some more ships. Another ship. They're in Nassau, Bahamas. Oh, wow. Okay. Can I walk all the way to the front? I'm supposed to be in front of the shit. Holy shit. Ah. I might have to go back down and then come back up to the front. But yeah, we in Nassau Bahamas. I'm about to go get me a massage. My appointment is at 9:30. It's 9:15, so I got time. Just walking to the front, like I said. I hope y'all can hear me. Oh, they're letting the safety things down. Oh, is that what they do when they do the safety? The lifeboats. I ain't never seen them let those down before. Okay, I'm in the middle of the ship. Here go the Lido deck. Pretty empty this morning. Everybody out. Everybody done got off. That's all. It's pretty, y'all. We're gonna get off the boat a little later on. Probably about 10:30, 11. We're not really doing much but walking around. Let's see. Oh, excuse me. It's Nassau, y'all. It's the city. Pretty. Alright, y'all, let me figure out how to get where I'm going. The stairs or the elevator? Let's take the elevator. I ain't got a massage in so many years. Day 14. Give a massage. I'm excited, y'all. I didn't buy a massage for the last year. I don't want to do this professional massage. Love that one. Get a little footage for y'all. Yeah.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about? I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Chestnut roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you. Chestnut roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you.
I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas.
That's what Christmas is all about.
So y'all, we are back on the ship. I'm in the room by myself. I should low-key take a nap. So Duane just left with Trey. Him and Trey finna go to the Lido deck and watch the football game with some of the guys. And Frederick is with Tanaya Taylor. I'm about to get some of this laundry cleaned. So I gotta, it's already together. I just need to take it and go to the 7th deck. I'm on the 6th floor, so I need to just go up one and then find it and try to start the load, and hopefully I can get it done here pretty soon. That way I can go ahead and get it done today. If I ain't said it, today is Thanksgiving. Yeah, happy Thanksgiving. I know by the time y'all see this Thanksgiving, it's gonna be over. So I hope y'all had a good Thanksgiving. I know we are having a great time here in the Bahamas. But yeah, we're gonna have dinner later on tonight, so I don't even know what dinner is gonna look like, but we shall see what our Thanksgiving meal is gonna look like. But we got on our family shirts. I've seen a lot of people, pretty much all the families got on t-shirts. So we wasn't the only family to think of this. But let's charge my phone, get these clothes together, and then I'm about to get the clothes so I can take them upstairs. Yeah.
I'm gonna eat it anyway.
It might not be that bad.
You see it in your nose anyway.
Toasted marshmallow?
Stick bug.
Ew. Which one is it?
Sticky bug.
It's gonna spin right.
You gotta hold it and then spin it.
Rotten egg.
Boy, this tastes like the bottom of the tennis shoe.
Oh, you a trooper. You a trooper.
Oh, sorry.
Cause I would spit that out.
Oh my God.
Donna took that drink. God damn.
No, that was his. No, Donna took my drink. Oh.
Oh, it's still in my mouth.
You got rotten head.
But it ain't worse than this. Oh my
You can
God.
spit it out.
What you remind me from?
I said strawberry banana smoothie or dead fish. I'm gonna get.
That's this one.
Oh,
Dead fish. Let it be dead
oh,
fish.
this gonna be funny.
They do have good ones in there, right?
Yeah, strawberry banana's the good one.
Yeah, you might be.
You might get it.
It was at this moment that he knew.
No, you said you gotta swallow it. That's what you said.
You gotta eat it all.
He knew instantly that was the wrong one.
You playing the way? Peach something.
Peach your boy. What I had.
So that's the clear one.
I was trying to.
She might get peach.
I know it's nasty.
She got peach. That was close. That was fast.
Same thing.
That's a prank. Oh, yours is a good one.
How you get your spin so well?
Dwayne got butter pecan or rotten
I
egg.
didn't hold it. I just put it in my ear.
Bottoms up.
Yes, because ice cream hurt.
Popcorn.
She done lucked out.
That's popcorn because it's rotten egg. You would have been throwing up already. Popcorn.
Oh man.
I got the half plate because I ate it.
Ah, it's in the middle. Okay, I got the new one. Pomegranate or old bandage.
Old bandage. What is the old bandage? Oh my god.
How does the old bandage taste?
Right.
I get this game at Walmart or something.
I got it downstairs in the cherry.
But they got it at
top.
Walmart too, cheap.
Oh, wow. She got them bricks.
Wow,
Yeah,
Terry.
so I got some of the cookies.
You gonna bite into that piece and break the teeth.
What is that?
You got it.
You said-
Oh my God, that is awful. Ew.
What was it?
Oh, bands. Oh.
It tastes like plastic.
What was the
Ew.
flavor?
How did they get that in there?
What was that flavor?
Oh, baby.
Oh. Oh. What is that?
Banana smoothie. Get it this time.
Oh.
I read banana smoothie.
Wait, let me make sure that's. Yes.
Bruh, look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No.
Wait, what did he have?
He said we need to play this tomorrow. What was it?
No, he said we got to swallow. I said, I thought you were gonna swallow it, but that's tomorrow.
Just like this nigga. You know how you know what you need to make the big
You said strawberry banana or dead fish.
Oh, we woke up, baby.
Yeah, that bitch white.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
I knew. I poured the bad ones and the good ones in there. Oh, the rocket.
Chilling, y'all.
Oh, yeah.
It's Friday. I look red. Y'all, we finally took Trey to Camp Ocean. I should have been there. I've been playing myself, not taking him there. I was just nervous to take him, but he went straight up in there. Start playing. So I gotta pick him up in 2 hours, and then I can take him back at 7. But he went straight in there. He was ready, but I had to take him out because he was getting tired of us. And this one right here, he sleep. I'm about to go get me some tacos. You gonna go eat lunch or you still full? Oh, you had a burger, right? So you good? Huh? You getting the taco bowl? So they do make bowls? I thought they did. With that lime rice. Where you want to go while he sleep? They're watching. Huh? Okay. Y'all gonna watch? Y'all keep it out here. We're gonna go get our tacos. So we finna go get us some tacos. But y'all, look at that beautiful view. Beautiful. Oh, I gotta sanitize my hands. The Marco said he was going to get his. Did he come down here? I hate that they close so early. Oh yeah, there go the Marcos right there. I hate that they close so early. Oh, we got here just in time. Thank you, Lord. Thank you. That beautiful girl. Go watch Flick. Hey, Jack. I can't get you right now. My hands are full. Say hey.
You were meant for the red carpet. Come on down, come on down. We're gonna have a rapid fire here. Smart friend, what's your name?
SpongeBob SquarePants.
We got SpongeBob SquarePants in the house. Now, SpongeBob, what do you
Oh, that's why he said that they saying the celebrity name.
And also,
The red carpet is celebrities. Hold on. Oh, okay. Take a picture.
All right, and the real question, tell me the secret formula. We almost got it out. We almost got about. But SpongeBob, before we go.
Did he just? Oh, that's you. The door for Duane's birthday. What's up, y'all? It's Saturday, last day on the ship. Today's Duane's birthday. And we are headed down for breakfast. As usual, we running to get the last tail of breakfast. You waiting for me? Yeah, per usual. We try to catch breakfast at the last minute. Come on. Go ahead, you go first.
We've no place to go. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Okay, why not? Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, tonight we have celebrated 18th birthday also to Mr. D. Okay, why not, right? Make some noise. Take up. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear D. Happy birthday to you.
Hit it, hit it, hit it.
What's up, y'all? I just wanted to come back in the vlog. Huh? What's that? Oh, no, thank you. I'm positive. He's trying to give us some money. But yeah, we are finally off the ship and we have stopped in Houston at Big Chicken. Just some of us, not all of us. But I just want to come back in the vlog. I hope you guys enjoy watching our vacation while we cruise for Thanksgiving. If you guys enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. And make sure you leave a comment down below. But most importantly, subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell. That way you can be notified with every single vlog that I post. And I'll check y'all in the next vlog. Peace.